Have you been searching for a legitimate remote AI job that you can do from anywhere in the world? What if I told you that a company is currently hiring AI trainers for multiple roles, including generalist AI trainer positions, which is your easiest entry point into the AI training world? And many of these opportunities are open to applicants worldwide. If that sounds like something you've been looking for, then stay with me because in today's video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this particular company, the available AI training positions, the skills they're looking for, who can apply, and how you can give yourself the best chance of submitting a strong application. The demand for AI trainers is growing rapidly as artificial intelligence continues to evolve. Companies need real people to help train, evaluate, and improve AI systems. And that means there are exciting opportunities for people from different educational and professional backgrounds. Whether you're a graduate, a teacher, a writer, a researcher, or simply someone with strong communication and analytical skills, this could be an opportunity worth exploring. If you're passionate about working remotely, earning online, or building a career in AI without necessarily being a software engineer, then you won't want to miss any part of this video. Before we dive in, make sure you hit the like button because it really helps this video reach more job seekers. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest verified remote jobs, AI careers, and work from home openings from around the world. Now let's jump right in and explore the exciting AI training opportunities currently available at rex.zone. So you want to go to rex.zone or Remote Experts and click on View Opportunities. But I would suggest that you log in or you sign up into this platform. If you're an active job seeker, sign into this platform. So they're looking for people with this expertise: cinematographers, Photoshop experts, After Effects specialists, coding developers, STEM PhDs, software engineers, literature writers, generalists, specialists. Come here and sign up so that you can get up-to-date information. So click on View Opportunities. It takes you to the current positions because that's what brought us here. As you can see, they have jobs in law, medical science, general arts and design, computer science, finance. My last video was on medical science. So this is a clinical medicine AI specialist position. And we also have Photoshop AI specialist position available. And we have financial analyst AI specialist. But my focus on this video is on the generalist part. So we're looking at the general and computer science one. So we're going to look at this one, generalist AI trainer. The reason I always look at this one is because it is your easiest entry point into the AI training world. I will not lie to you guys. Whether you have experience or not, if you see any role that says generalist AI trainer, apply. If you have never done any AI training job before, apply. Because you already interact with ChatGPT, which gives you that knowledge. Unless you have never interacted with ChatGPT before. And another amazing thing about this platform is that they hire worldwide. You see, remote opportunity, all countries. There is no specific country mentioned here. So for you guys in Africa that are always finding it hard to enter into anything, remote job, move abroad, anything, this platform should be your number one. And when you do an application, don't tell me, don't stop. Keep applying. Consistency is very, very important in this our remote job. Consistency is the key to remote job. You want to click on the job, it brings you here, you see the details. Generalist AI trainer. It says computer science, but you don't really need computer science degree. And about this role, you're going to be directly responsible for improving the quality, safety, and intelligence of cutting-edge AI models. Your key responsibilities will include create high-quality training data, write, edit, and refine clear, accurate, and engaging prompts and responses on a diverse range of topics, evaluate and rank AI responses, critically access AI-generated text for accuracy, tone, style, and safety, comparing different models, outputs, and providing detailed, constructive feedback based on project guidelines. Identify model weaknesses. Act as an adversarial user to identify flaws, biases, logical errors, and potential risks in AI models. fact-checking and research, diligently verify information to ensure the factual accuracy of training data and model responses, adhere to project guidelines, master complex project instructions, and apply them consistently to produce high-quality work. Who they are looking for: native or near-native fluency in English with exceptional writing, grammar, and communication skills, proven experience as an AI trainer, data annotator, or in a similar role involving interaction with large language models, strong analytical and critical thinking skills with a high degree of attention to detail, a broad general knowledge base across various projects, example, history, sciences, arts, culture, and the ability to work independently, manage your time effectively, and meet deadlines in a remote setting, a commitment to quality and ability to adapt to evolving project guidelines. Preferred, a bachelor's degree or higher in a writing intensive field, example English, journalism, communication, or a technical field, example computer science and linguistics. Specialized knowledge or professional experience in a specific domain, example STEM, law, finance, creative writing, medicine. Compensation, they're paying between 30 to 65 USD per hour. The rate is determined by the complexity of the project and is commensurate with your level of experience and expertise. Guys, I know that all these platforms that we share here always talk about experience. You can't get the experience you're looking for without landing an actual job. So that's why I advise people to go for it. Go for it. I'm also going to apply for this one. I'll not lie to you. I'm on holiday. I'm doing mass application. If I should show you how many interviews I've done within this 1 week, you will not believe it. I do interviews every day because I want to also make some cash for myself. So if you want this one, or before I show you the applications page, so let me show you how to optimize your CV for this position, because that's what I said in the intro, right? Now they said they're looking for required native or near native fluency in English, and then preferred. What do you have to do? You come here and pick out these things that they required, and pick out these things listed here as who they are looking for, and then update your CV with it. For preferred, use it. I'm not going to say much about it. If you want one-on-one, you can book your session with me, then I show you. But you have to go through who they are looking for and look at the things there. That's what you're going to use to update your CV, to optimize your CV. Check out the key responsibilities. Use it to optimize your CV as your previous experience. Okay, that's just all I can say there. Then you apply for this one. Click on the apply button. It brings you to this page where you're going to sign up. This is your secure applications portal. You can sign up using your email, your Google account, and then you apply for this job. So I'm also going to do that after this video, believe me. So that's that for this one. There are other roles here that you can open to check on your own. So we looked at Generalist AI Trainer. Let's look at this one, Generalist AI Trainer Visual Content. Okay, they're hiring from 34 countries. You just have to check if your country is part of the countries they're hiring. And they're looking for RLHF. Yeah, I made a video about this RLHF the previous time. What you do here is image classification, image Q&A, caption, object detection, 2D translation, and map annotation. As a generalist AI trainer, you're almost doing the same thing you're going to do as a generalist AI trainer, but this one is a visual content. You know, you're training an AI model in terms of based on prompts, but this one is visual content. You will contribute to the development and evaluation of advanced AI systems by working with image-based content under clearly refined guidelines. This role involves applying careful observation, structured judgment, and clear reasoning to complete assigned work with a strong emphasis on quality, consistency, and attention to detail. Trainers are expected to follow nuanced instructions, reference provided, documentation, and incorporate feedback to continuously improve performance. Training materials, examples, and ongoing support will be provided through the campaign. Review and feedback processes are in place to ensure alignment and to help trainers grow within the role. This position is well suited for individuals who are detail-oriented, reliable, and interested in contributing to responsible AI development through high-quality data. They're looking for somebody with strong attention to detail, who they are looking for, strong attention to detail and the ability to follow instruction, nuanced guidelines, comfortable working with visual content, and applying consistent judgment. So read through. For compensation, market range based on experience, location, and workload. So feel free, check your country and see if your country is here. I can't see the countries, but they're hiring from 34 countries. So you never can tell, your country might be there. And there are other positions here. Photoshop AI specialist. If you're into arts and design, check it out. Legal and compliance AI specialist. Check it out as well. They're hiring from all countries. And the pay is between 60 to 140 USD per hour. Let's look at the medical one and see how much they pay. They pay between 70 to 150 USD per hour. Yeah, this is amazing, guys. Go and check it out. Even repo-based code annotator is here, and pay is between $80 to $120 per hour. The pay is between $120 per day. And sorry, the other ones I mentioned, I think they're also daily. And that's everything you need to know about the current AI training opportunities available at Verse.com. I hope this video has helped you understand the available roles and whether they are a good fit for your skills and career goals. Remember, hiring opportunities can change quickly, so if you're interested, don't wait too long before reviewing the available positions and submitting your application. Take your time to carefully read the job description, tailor your resume, like I've said, like I've shown you, and make sure your application highlights the experience and skills that are most relevant to the role. Don't just apply with your old resume. Using all the information in the job description that is most relevant to the role. I'd also love to hear from you. Have you applied for any AI trainer positions here before? Are you planning to apply for one of the roles that I've shown you today? Let us know in the comments below. Your experience could help someone else in our community. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, family members, or anyone looking for legitimate remote AI jobs. You never know whose career this information could change. And if you're serious about finding remote work, AI jobs, visa sponsorship opportunities, and international career updates, make sure to subscribe to this channel and my other channels because I upload new opportunities regularly to help job seekers around the world stay informed. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate your support and I wish you the very best with your applications. Until the next video, stay motivated, keep learning new skills, keep applying consistently, and remember, your next opportunity could be just one application away. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.